Hey guys, it's Vasamo from Stractors, and in today's short video we're gonna show you how to realize your presale and whitelist functionality in your Solana NFT project with the best method. In order to realize a presale with Candy Machine V2, you have to use SPL tokens. Unlike an NFT, a SPL token is a fungible token and is used in our case as ticket that allows minting. This will be just a little video where you will see how we can create and distribute SPL tokens, but how you can connect the token to your Candy Machine so that only this token is authorized, we have shown you already in our ultimate guide. Be sure to check it out as it shows all the necessary steps. Thanks again for your support on all our videos. We finally reached the 1000 subscribers. Also, leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you don't want to miss anything in future. The only difference to the ultimate guide is that this time we don't use Gumdrop, but our own Python script. Let me briefly explain the difference. With Gumdrop you have created the token and the link with which your whitelisted member can mint it. But as you know, the whole thing is not really user-friendly and easy. You have to go through many steps and in the end your customer has to mint the token himself and pay for it. You can avoid all this with today's method. In this one we create the token, mint the number we need and distribute it to the whitelisted wallets ourselves. The whole thing is much more user friendly because your member only has to share the public key of his wallet. But be warned, you pay for the creation and distribution of the token. And now OneStone will show you how it works.
Okay guys, so let's get started with generating and distributing some SPL tokens. The first thing you need obviously is a key pair which you want to distribute the tokens from, and a key pair or several key pairs which you want to distribute the tokens to. So I already have prepared kind of seller wallet which I want to distribute from, and a whitelist wallet which I want to distribute to. The first thing you actually have to make sure is to set your Solana config key pair path with the command solana config set-k to your seller wallet. SPL token, the command, is always using the key pair path out of your configs because you don't have a -k attribute or anything. So the first thing is to make sure that this is set to the correct form, and in the same moment you can also check if you have set the RPC URL to devnet if you want to test, or to mainnet if you don't want to test. So then I would say let's get started with generating our token mint. Therefore we use Solana keygen grind, then -- starts with, and then I always use TEO as beginning for token wallets, and then we have a fresh vanity key pair. So now let's use SPL token, create token, and then our key pair, and in the end it's always good to have the -- decimals attribute to make sure you have the correct decimals on your token. For example, whitelist tokens should always be decimal 0 because you don't have like any ability to split a token up into smaller parts. Solana, for example, as a token with tokenomics and other stuff, uses decimals 9 because it makes sense to have more decimals to distribute smaller parts of the token. In this case, I just use decimal 0, hit enter, and the token mint is created. Now to later on mint tokens and to hold them in our seller wallet, we now have to create a token account. Therefore we use the command create account, then again our mint, and then hit enter. And now our tokens will be placed in an account which is held by our wallet. The next thing we do is mint some of our tokens. So we use SPL token mint, then again our token mint address, and then we can place a number. I will now just use 10. The number should be like the maximum amount you want to distribute. So it can be like, for example, you're distributing 100 tokens, then you can obviously not use the number 10. So now let's check. Oh, little typo here. Let's just check if everything worked fine, and therefore we use the SPL token accounts command to see if we now have an account with a balance of 10 attached to our wallet. The next thing we now want to do is distributing our tokens, and the first thing there we do is have a look at our Discord, and here in the Candy Machine channel, we have a pinned message, which is from Bloodspill, where you can see he has a Python script attached, which we can download. You see, it's not the first time I'm downloading this, which is exactly the Python script I have placed in my v2 folder already. And then you also have a command here, which I'm now copying for later. But the first thing before running the command and using the script is you need a wallets.txt file. So let's create a new text document and name it wallets.txt. And in this text file, we just place all the wallets or public keys of wallet addresses we want to distribute tokens to. So yeah, let's use our manager wallet from our last staking video, which you can check out if you're interested in the topic staking. Then we have our whitelist wallet here. Let's make sure if this is the correct address. Yeah, it is. And then we could also use like some other, let's use the farmer wallet from my last video. And now we can save this file, and that's all you have to do, like just one under the other, paste all your public keys you want to distribute to, and now we can start generating our command to run. So you downloaded the Python script from our Discord. Make sure to place it in the same folder as your wallets and your wallets.txt. And now let's run this command and therefore use this here. So let's go through it one by one. In my environment, I don't need this Python 3. I just need Python to run Python scripts. Then the name of the file, airdrop, then transfer to explain what we want to do, wallets.txt as the file we want to use. Then we have one more important attribute, which is drop, where you can specify how much tokens you want to distribute. In my case, I want to distribute 3 to each wallet I have placed there. And then we have 2 more attributes which you don't have to change at all. So yeah, now let's hit enter. The first thing we are asked is select an endpoint, so which endpoint we want to use. In my case it's DevNet, but when you want to do mainnet drops, you can use obviously the mainnet endpoint too. Then we have to add our token mint address, which is the public key of the token we created at the beginning. So let's paste this here. Then we have a number of token decimals, in our case it's 0. And when we now hit enter, we see that it starts with our first wallet. So here we can see the first wallet I used is the manager wallet. And now we have the chance to do it one by one and hit enter. And then it's loading, and now it's successful. So the first 3 tokens are distributed. When you now have like more wallets than 1 or 2 or 3, so like 200 wallets or anything, then you could also use the all mode, like the non-interactive mode, where just one is distributed after the other. And now after some seconds we are done. So let's check in our wallet if our tokens arrived. And here's the token receiver, our whitelist wallet, and we can see we now have 3 tokens beginning with TOD, and that's exactly the token we distributed. So that's it. Basically that's the functionality to use the airdrop.py script. And yeah, only one thing in addition: if you are distributing like 200, 300 tokens, then make sure to check out the logs you see in your command line when you are using the non-interactive mode. And which can happen because the Solana network sometimes is not that stable, you have any error or failure message here, then just copy the public key, enter it into SolScan, check if your token arrived or not. If they haven't arrived, then just restart the whole process. So just add the error wallets into your wallets.txt and just start the script only for the wallets where the process is failed. And yeah, that's everything we can say to the airdrop Python script.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like these short videos, and yeah, we will do a lot of more stuff like this. Just leave us a comment what you want to see on this channel. We keep going, and yeah, leave a like, subscribe to our channel, this supports us much. And also don't forget to join our Discord server, and yeah, see ya!